I folded into two.
Shoulder lines.
So the way I measured the neck was I used my head circumference. My head circumference is 24 inches divided by 4 is 6 inches. If I measure this round, it's going to give you 6. But from my neck to the wrist is going to be 26. And I measure it round because I want the sleeve to be funnel. Here is going to be bigger at, I'm leaving here at 8 plus half an inch seam sewing allowance. This is the sleeve. The full length of the blouse is going to be here 28, here plus half an inch seam sewing allowance. So make sure, and as it comes up here, I'll reduce it. So on the side is going to be 26. And to here. So this is my neckline, 6 here, and half an inch seam sewing allowance. For my neckline, I measure out my arm length. My arm is 10 here, and here should be around my bust area, and this to where my waist is. So from here is my arm, so I'm going to put the slit to my armpit area, and this is where my bust is. So my bust is 40 by 4 is 10, meaning I have little to no allowance.
And I'm using fleece. This is a stretchy fabric, so I am covered.
And because this part of the sleeve is open, I will therefore open this one up so that everything looks aligned. I will sew here, and the sides, and hem the bottom. To attach the cape, I'm just going to cut here. So this is going to be the front, and I'll cut it by 1.5 inch. Sliding it back to the neck. And this is the front, and that is the back. Cutting the hood now. You fold into two like this. And to cut the hood, you have to just measure the round of the neck as well. And is in total 28 inches. So 28 by 2 is 14 inches. So already here I'll be closing here to be here should be 2 inches, and you curve this way. And I'm going to cut like this. And here is not going to be straight, so you curve it in like this, making sure that it's going to be, after the half an inch seam allowance, is going to be 14 inches, and that is 14 here plus half an inch seam sewing allowance. And then I cut it out. So I'm leaving half an inch here because I'm going to overlock the edges and then just top stitch it like this. The next thing now is to go ahead and sew around here. I'm going to stitch here as well. I will overlock and fold in this and sew half an inch. And this is it. So this is the front. You find the center and nip it. So here. And then I'm going to sew it round the neck and overlock. This is the fitting, guys. I made these trousers and I'm going to link the video here so you can see how I made this trouser in 1 hour. Look at the hood. So I can remove it and it's relaxed at the back. There is the top. Dare to dress differently this year and stick to this channel because you're going to be learning a lot on how to make your clothes. Dedicate this year to make everything in the wardrobe by yourself, and you're going to see how different you're going to look at the end of this year. Just buy your fabrics and let's do this together.